Always do things which make you live on the edge, and I have with me the Bangalore Tigers corner, Tiger Shroff. Tiger, last time I threw a challenge at you and you beat me hollow. I want to throw another challenge at you, and this time I have a feeling you will not match up to my challenge.
I'll try my best.
You will? But before that, I want the audience to see your six packs. Give it up for Tiger!
यार अभी खा कर आया मैं पर okay, I'll show you. Ice cream packs.
Ladies, this is eye candy. This only happens at the super fight. All right, Tiger. So what's the challenge? I'm gonna say you throw me 3 kinds of kicks. All right? If you do it, you can make me do anything you want.
Anything?
Yeah.
Okay, done.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, he's gonna do 3 different kinds of kicks. This is my challenge to Tiger Shroff. Kick number... Whoa! Give it up louder! Kick number 1! Tiger, what about kick number 2, man? Number 2, come on, crowd! Give your support to Tiger! Here you go, Tiger. I'll do whatever it takes to help you, man. But I think you are still going to be struggling a lot. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, Tiger kick number 2. Tiger, 3, man, 3. Crowd is going ballistic. This is fire power. Tiger, I think you're getting nervous, man. Let's see if he accepts my challenge number 3. This is going to be living on the edge. Will he do it or not? Will he break numbs? My challenge to Tiger Shroff. Tiger, I think you're panicking, my friend. Let's see whether you can show me what you can do. Siddharth Kananka challenge to Tiger Shroff. Tiger, Tiger, Tiger. Dosto, give it up for the man who wins every challenge. यार तुम बार-बार challenge जीतते रहते हो. Now I have lost to you again. You can make me do anything you want. That's part of a deal.
Okay, since you're a very good friend and I'm a big fan of you, I'm not going to give you something very challenging. But since I urge everybody to exercise and be healthy and live healthy lifestyles, I want you to give me 15 push-ups.
15 push-ups नहीं, 5 कर लूँगा. Hold on. Count.
5 कर लो.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5.
No. Ladies and gentlemen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tiger Shroff, I love you.
Thanks, Sid. That was great. Tiger Shroff, the